Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zendesk triggers for faster customer responses. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Zendesk triggers for faster customer responses, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Admin Center by clicking the gear icon in the sidebar. In the Admin Center, find the Business Rules section on the left panel. Click on Triggers to view the list of existing triggers. To create a new trigger, click the Add Trigger button located in the upper right corner. Begin by giving your trigger a descriptive name in the name field. In the Conditions section, set the criteria that will activate the trigger. Choose ticket conditions to specify when the trigger should apply. You can select options such as status, priority, and group to refine your conditions. Next, move to the Actions section to define what the trigger will do once activated. Common actions include sending automatic responses, updating ticket statuses, or notifying team members. For faster customer responses, consider adding an action to send a pre-written reply. Use customizable placeholders to personalize the response for each customer. Once you have set your desired conditions and actions, review your trigger configuration. Ensure everything is accurate and that the logic flows correctly. If satisfied, click the Create Trigger button to save your new configuration. To test your trigger, create a sample ticket that meets the conditions you set. Monitor the ticket to see if the trigger activates as expected. If adjustments are necessary, return to the trigger settings and make the changes. Once you are confident in your configuration, you can start using it to improve your response times. Regularly review and optimize your triggers to adapt to changing customer needs. By effectively utilizing Zendesk triggers, you can enhance your customer support process significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.